Hey folks, I'm going to tell you about some really cool accessibility features in Microsoft. So right now I have a browser open. I'm in Microsoft Edge, and I want to show you a really cool feature. It is Immersive Reader, which is helpful for all different types of students. See that the web page right now has a lot of advertisements. If I click on the Immersive Reader function, it actually changes the view to be much more streamlined, less distracting. So if you are an ADHDer or you just get distracted by all that extraneous info, it's super helpful. And then the very cool thing is you have a lot of these options here. So you have text preferences. You can change the size of your text. You can change the background, and you can change the text spacing also if that is helpful for you. You can also change your reading preferences. So you can choose a line focus where you only see one line at a time. You can enable a picture dictionary. You can also translate the page. But a really, really cool thing.
More Alberta school divisions decide not to pilot new K-6 draft curriculum. Calgary, several Alberta school divisions have stated that they are not prepared to put the draft.
So you can also have any web page read aloud to a student, which is super helpful. You can change the voice options here. This one is my favorite. It's the most natural sounding, but you can also slow the voice down, which is a really handy feature. And so to get there again, you're in your regular website, just any website at all. And then you click up here on the book and the speaker, and you do need to be in Microsoft Edge. I'll also show you a really cool thing. This feature also works if you open up a PDF in Microsoft Edge. So this is an old exam. I've just opened one to show you. I don't have the Immersive Reader menu here, but I still have the Read Aloud option.
ESSAY 33 unit test.
Ignore that part.
I read A Failure of Faith in Man-Made Things and answer questions 1 to 5. A failure of faith in man-made things. There are those who have faith in man-made things and those who do not.
Pretty cool, right? So it can read aloud any PDF, any web page, which is pretty miraculous. And finally, an application where this could be really helpful if you are working on making your own audio exams. We've been using PowerPoint, and that can sometimes be time consuming. So I'm looking at testing out some exams with this function with Word Online. It has to be Word Online, not regular Word. Regular Word's Immersive Reader does not sound as natural as Word Online. So here, for example, is a test I have created in Word, and I always forget the toolbar for Immersive Reader, so rather than look for it, I just type in the search bar and open Immersive Reader that way. So then it actually
Macbeth, the test.
will read it.
Part 1, multiple choice. Select the best answer for each question. 1. The setting of the play is primarily in A. England, B. Ireland, C. Scotland, D. Norway.
So we had talked about potentially using a text-to-speech for testing in the past, but the technology wasn't quite there. But you can see that it reads it so naturally that it is something we could explore using in the future. So if you are interested in exploring using this technology for your next audio exam, I would love it if we could chat because I'd love to start using this. I think it will help on those days when you think, oh, I really need an audio version of this exam, but I don't have one. Well, open it up in Word, use the Immersive Reader. There are a lot of possibilities here. So let me know, communicate. Another cool tool here is that because I'm in a Word document, I can't do this for everything, but I can do it in a Word document. I can also translate the text, and I'm going to choose Spanish just because, and I can translate the whole document. And then in some languages, it will then again read
Macbeth, la prueba. Parte 1. Opción múltiple. Seleccione la mejor respuesta para cada pregunta.
So how cool is that? So lots of opportunities here. Really excited to share this with you. If you want to explore it more with me, let me know. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.